welcome back guys. So quickly, this video I want to show you how you can actually set up your iOS 14. Yes, no, ever since the post after the COVID-19, Facebook has actually made a lot of updates, and those that are using iOS 14 now give Facebook the permission to actually show ad on their app, or on their apps, and also even on their phone. So now, how does this affect advertising? It affects advertising because Facebook cannot have direct access to um, Apple products that use iOS 14. So as an advertiser, let me show you how to set it up. So you have to set it up because you want Facebook to um, show your ads to those that have iOS 14, that use iOS 14 um, as their on their mobile phone. So let's quickly dive into the setting up. So once you get into your business suite, the number one thing you need to do is that you must ensure that your domain is verified. Yeah, so you ensure that you have a verified domain. So let's quickly check that out. How do I know my domain is verified? How do I know I have a verified domain? Because the domain that I'm using to send traffic to my funnel, I have to be very sure that that domain is verified. How do I know that? So let me quickly go into my business manager. So let's assume now you have a business manager. You've created your business manager. Come into your business manager. You must come here. So this is where you come, brand safety and suitability. Then click on domains. So you can see I don't have any domain verified here. So but let me check the other business manager. So I have multiple business managers. So let me check this business manager now. Let me see if I have domain verified here. So yeah, here's it. Brand safety. So you can see I have no domain verified here. So and now, so guys, I think this is the perfect one because I just purchased a new domain and I would like to verify it. So this is it. This is the campus. Yeah. So let me do this. So I want to verify my domain now. I want to use this business manager. I want to use this my first business manager now. I want to verify my domain. So how do I go about it? So you come to your data sources. Sorry, you come to your brand safety domains. Now I want to add a domain. Click on add. Then click on create domain. So you copy the URL of your domain. This is the URL. Copy it without the extension. Come here, you paste it. So you paste it, can you see, without the extension, and you click on add. Now once you click on add, it takes you to this place. Now once it takes you to this place, now the next thing you want to do is you can see that this red sign here says not verified. I see I'm not verified because I'm not yet done with steps. So what do I do next? The next thing I do is I copy my meta tag. This meta tag, you see this meta tag, you copy it. So once I copy this meta tag, because I use WordPress, I come to my WordPress account for this domain that I just purchased. So I come to my WordPress account and I look for Pixel Your Site. Now you must have installed Pixel Your Site on your WordPress. So I look for Pixel My Site. I open the dashboard. Pixel Your Site is a third-party app, so you can actually install it on your WordPress from a WordPress plugin. So yeah, let's click on add footer, add and footer rather. So you come to the any device, so you paste. And you see, so I want to paste here. I paste, then I save. Now once I save, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna reload this now. So I reload this. So once I reload this now, I come back to my domain and hosting. I want to reload this too. So once you're reloading this, now make sure that you come back here and open a page. I think I have a page here. Let me just open one of this page. Yeah, let me open it on my page now. So you want to ensure that you open the page and just hit on that page. Just get yourself on that page first. So get yourself on that page first. Let's pick this. So I'm trying to open a page, any of my pages. Open this one because I want to hit so that um my meta tag can trigger that okay, there's an activity running on that funnel on that website. You understand? So you must have ensured that you hit the page. Just see the page. Probably you can also click the button if possible. So you click the button, so you can see that while I'm doing all of that, my pixels, can you see my pixels, all everything is firing. So I want to go back to the domain now. So you come to this your business manager. Now you can see that there's supposed to be a button here, but I can't find it. What do? I reduce the size. See, I'm going to reduce the size of my browser so that I can see it. So this is what I want. So I want to reload it again because I want to hit this verify button now. So once I hit this verify button, it's going to tell me that my domain has been verified. So let's see. Awesome. Can you guys see? So successfully verified, guys. So this is how to verify your domain. So you click on done. So we can see that this is green already. So my domain is verified. So guys, so now what's the next thing? So since I've successfully verified my domain, I want to because we are trying to set up the iOS 14. Next I want to do is I want to go to my ad manager. Yeah, so where's my ad manager? Let's see, I have a couple of ad accounts. Yeah, so let me go to my ad manager now. This is the account I'm using. Yeah, so this is my ad manager. Okay, I think I have it here open already. So I want to go to event manager. Make sure you go to event manager. Yeah, so once you get to event manager, let's see what we can do. And I think I have to add, yeah, so make sure that there's something that happens here that I really want you to pay attention. You can see that, let me go back to my business manager so I can show you something. You can see that on this business manager, there are no ad accounts. When I click on add accounts, there are no ad accounts. So I want to now add account to it. I want to add this ad account to it. So how do I add the ad account? I'm going to copy the ad account ID. So I want to add this ad account. This ad account is my personal ad account. And I think I've been using it a couple of stuff. So let me copy the ID of this ad account. And I want to add it to that business manager. I don't want the ad account to stand alone because whenever you create an ad account on Facebook, especially a new Facebook account, the ad account stands alone. So by the time you're creating the subsequent ad account and you're creating a new business manager, you need to add that ad account to your business manager. So I want to copy this now. Copy it now. I want to add it to my business manager now. This is my business manager, so I want to add another account. I paste it. Can you see? Add. So while this is adding, let's wait for it so that it adds automatically and successfully. Well done. Can you see? Close. So I've successfully added that ad account to my business manager. So whatever operations I'm taking on my business manager affects the other account. So now let's go back to so now we can now visit our event manager. So we come to event manager. So now because we already added the other account to the business manager, so we can do stuff here. Because we want to set up the iOS 14. Yeah, so let's see how we can do that. Now, mind you, whenever you want to set up iOS 13, you must ensure that you must have used your ad account for a while. Yeah, to make sure that you have spent a couple of money on it, couple of thousands on it. Ensure you have run probably traffic, engagement campaign, video views campaign, even if it's conversion campaign, also try to run it too. Why? Because there are some things Facebook will not unleash for you. Facebook will not release some features on this their app for you immediately when you have a new account because they can do it to restrict you while you're trying to open access it. So what we want to do now is we ensure that we have warmed up that account for weeks out. Use it to run engagement traffic campaign. So now I want to set up the iOS 14. So what do? I come to my data sources. Yeah, you can see that I have data already here. So I have data already. So what I want to do is, because of iOS 14 is what I want to set up, I come to aggregate events. Can you see? And it takes me to what? Configure web events. Can you see? I click on configure web event. Let me go back again just in case you miss it. So once you get to your once you get to this part now, don't forget that you must have a business manager before you can set up your iOS 14. You must have a business manager. Business manager. This is a business manager. A business manager is different from your other accounts. And you don't create a business manager immediately. When you have a new ad account, ensure that you warm that ad account. Use it for weeks, posts, boost posts, and all of that. Ensure that you use it traffic and all of that. Ensure that you use it for a couple of weeks before you set up the business manager, because Facebook might probably restrict you if you are trying to do everything so fast. Yeah. So this is a new ad account, but I've been trying to set up stuff weekly and all of that. So we can see that my business manager, I just added an account that I created first into this business manager now. So let's get back. So now in our event manager, so you come to, because we want to set iOS 14 so that our ad can be shown to people that use iPhone 11 and above. Any iPhone that uses iOS 14, our ad can show to them. So you click on aggregate event measurement. So you click on configure events. Can you see? And it takes you to this web event configuration. So what do you do on this web event configuration? You can see that there are no activities here, 0 of 8. So what to do is manage domains. So for the when you click on that manage domain, it's going to take you to where you have to verify your domain. Can you see? If you've not verified the domain before, you have to verify your domain first. That's why I went through the route of the first step of verifying our domain. Because if you don't verify our domain, you cannot set up aggregate. You cannot set up the iOS 14 configuration. So let's come here. So you click on this. Just click on this like this. And click on manage events. And click on edit. Takes you to another place entirely. So this is where you now create your events and how to show up. So this is it. You click on add events. Now you're going to be now based on your pixels. So you set up your pixels. You click this one, and it's going to be. Make sure that your highest event should be the one that comes first. The most important event should be the one that comes first. And what do I mean by most important? The event that you feel you really want to track first, which is purchases. So ensure that purchases is the highest in hierarchy. If this used to be turned on before, but it's not working as turned on, so you look at disable this. So let's assume that it's not working. So you click on add another event. You make sure that it's your pixels, not custom conversion, your pixels. There are times that you have more than one pixels here because of the pixels multiple pixels you've created. Make sure you're choosing the pixel that you are using for your campaigns. Make sure that you use the pixel that you're using for your campaign. So add it. Then our next we want to track is add to cards. Let's look for add to cards. Yeah, so add to cards as the next hierarchy. No. So sorry, I was clicking on apply, which is very wrong. So let's add next events. Let's choose view content. Yeah, so that's, or you can, if you have a lead generation campaign you're running, you can actually make sure that this is leads. Just make this one lead. Yeah, so let's make that event lead. So then add this one again and make this let's make this view content now. So we have 4 events that we are trying to track using our aggregate measurement. So the next thing we want to do is to want to ensure that it's applied. Click on apply, yes, and apply. So now at this point you have successfully changed event configuration. Event configuration changes will be applied on, and so my domain, whatever campaign I'm running with that domain, is going to show to people using iOS 14. So guys, basically this is how you set up your iOS 14. This is how you set up your iOS 14, and it's very simple and straightforward. Very simple and straightforward. You can see very simple and straightforward. I see some of the notifications that will show here might not show again. So guys, that is how that's how it's been set up. I really hope this video is really helpful. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.